Trouble it in,
Girl, me can't get enough. And you tight, you already know. Love send it up in you. Who's panic like that, me know. You are my one and only, you know. Ask anyone, Penny Avenue. Oh, if I know you, then I know nobody. Give me your governor. No, come on me yard in a no baggy.
Oh shit. Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning.
GM. Good morning. Not even bed no spread.
That's okay.
That's how it.
That's okay. Yeah, literally just getting up. Gonna start the day, hopefully.
Start the day on what? And?
You're interrupting me.
Sorry for the rude interruption.
Yeah.
Trouble. Yeah?
Move. Any look.
Right.
Anyways, guys, don't know what's planned for today at all. As I said, this trip is called spontaneous. But yeah, so gonna look about something to eat. I have to go on the road. And yeah, we'll just take you guys along, and whatever happens, happens. But I just wanted to come and say good morning. I don't know why I look over there. My phone is turned, so yeah. Just wanted to come on here and say good morning. I didn't get to finish off the vlog yesterday, but I come in, I sleep, you know, and unpacked a little bit, and yeah, I was sleeping, I was up, and then I don't know if my time on my phone at the right time or the wrong time or whatever, so I'm just whole heap of confusion, all sort of stuff. So yeah, when I get up, I'll come back. So bye. In juicy beef, queen belly. Jesus. So if you come out of it, I'm gonna see it. Come now. Stop sucking it. Stop sucking it in. Stop sucking it in. Oh God. You know when you're full and you don't know what to do? Yeah. We're at the Port Anderson Plaza. We came to the Cambio this morning. And huh? Married.
Pumpkin?
No.
No, I am. He's there outside now.
Is it dark?
Yeah, that look bright there, so pretty, so. Show them a big ass there.
$6.95.
Alright, so come pay man. How much cheese did you get? $6.95.
What's on the menu today, Chef?
Chicken.
What meal is this that you're preparing?
Breakfast.
Wow.
Real fast. Oh, yeah, banana.
Okay.
Sweet potato. Yam. Cabbage.
scallion, onion, thyme, tomato. You did buy the sweet potato? Oh, never mind. Fish Maggi. Maggi fish seasoning. Pepper, sweet pepper. All wrapped up. Hold on. All wrapped up. Shout out AJ.
Shout out Aiko.
So dumb. No, let me put this one back in the freezer. Jamaica hot. Like well hot.
B.
The place hot B.
Hot. Yeah, B. Cheese patty for my breakfast.
Double breakfast and eat stew chicken for breakfast.
People time art. Oh, I'm going to take the said.
Alright.
Wow. It's hot.
I'm not going to stew chicken. I'm going to eat that for now. I need consciousness and I try it first.
Yes, this is definitely going to be lunch.
Yeah. I do pick us up as a part of the cook now for us.
I want you to put them in the freezer just now.
The chicken, I'm just put them in. Come check some. Shall I put them in the freezer? Two ice, my dear. You want to control the can. He cut the rest of it.
I was going for the paper straw.
I have something else to do.
You wash this
I'm going to pay a bill before I'm going to move it.
Rinse this out.
Rinse it, man. Can't mind that. You baby?
Yeah.
I'm pay a bill before I'm going to can't pay something. So I'm going to listen. Come on, baby.
Just doing what my matey would do. Just doing what my matey would do. How was that wrong? Oh, but I'm fighting players.
Say I feed them, man.
I'm fighting players.
Oh, me to come. Worrying about the wrong.
Hey, you're a people man. Not true.
You're a people.
So why you have to take the cheese in spot?
Chicken.
You doesn't have cheese in it. But
Cheese more?
Chicken. Time up, the party out.
Time up, be. You have to figure it out.
Boy, you're in my act. No, but time out for sure.
Time up. Last night I feel like I have a roast.
Yo, I'm like, how are you still hot
That's what it is.
when you're sleeping? I'm just like, oh yeah, sweat.
And you are sweat for a time. So yeah, they're under the fan. I'm sick.
No man.
Feel a pillar hot.
And I didn't want to sleep so close to the
Wet.
fan because I know how I get sick. Like I'll catch up draft, but I'm like, it's hot.
Yeah, I see why I made about that.
Like I feel like I'm out for bed again. I'm just bed. No, like no. Like no, I'm gonna live at the beach this time. Like this trip, I'm living at the beach. I'm living at the beach because time at. The name of this vlog is gonna be time at.
Eat it, be.
Time at. Anyways, the people them fans. Let me not say so before the fans them come for me. Hear me about fans. The supporters come for me.
Fans.
I don't like that
I
word.
heard fans. That's
Like I'm more than you.
people,
Like
exactly.
you know.
I understand.
No. Time at me. Due to outside atmosphere for eat the patty.
Eat them out there.
Should have got some cran water.
So let's drink to go.
Anyways, guys.
Wifey, guys.
Guys and gals. People I cook up anything. But them I prepare.
I'm just chicken, huh?
So cook up them things, so yeah.
Get that sweet
It looks so cute in your
Put everything. Make sure I get every season for the chicken.
what do you call this again?
Yeah,
I was about to say rope. You look so cute in your apron.
I'm sure.
Go out more. Woy, go out more. Woy. Outfit of the days.
Yeah. Oh. See there? Danny.
But I don't look cute anymore. So I'm so freaking happy. You not have vinegar? You not have none? Anyways, guys, bye. Time out. Residential, but on a link up you. DJ with a love in our friend. Funny display.
Boy, take a meal out of my sleeve. Tell them to say to them me a rave. In a Superman, so me not dress up in a cape. DJ, yeah. Tell them to say to them me a rave.
I'm blessed with life. I'm blessed with life.
Treat all of my friends, I'm like royalty. Hope they didn't question my loyalty. Men stay firm like a man tree. Dogs, them not for worry about them loyalty. Me treat all of my friends, I'm like royalty. Hope me chillin' no question my loyalty. Men stay firm like a man tree. Never switch, no sell out, that's a guarantee. Real G stay true to them dear ones. Real G stay true to them dear ones.
When you're in love, it's a wonderful thing.
You in love? Poor thing. Oh God. You never know no better.
That's where this gets started.
Love your result.
You move on till the end. No place like your bed. Man, I take you for granted.